Good morning, students. So, I am going to explain chapter 17, that is means of communication. So, let us start. So, communication means what? Is sending or receiving information between people, means communicate with each other, talk करना, एक दूसरे से बातें करना. So we all like to keep in touch with our friends and relatives by meeting them as often as possible. But it is possible to talk with your friends and relatives. So we all like to keep in touch. So how do we stay in touch with our loved ones? We can write letters, make phone calls, or send emails. Yes or no? So communication means sending or receiving information or messages is called communication. So understood? So in ancient times and long ago, so trained pigeons carried messages from one place to another. Okay, so people also went on foot or animals like horsemen to deliver messages, but these means were slow and not so reliable. So we can send and receive messages in different ways because now the growth of science and technology has resulted in faster and easier means of communication. So today we have several faster and more reliable means of communications. Okay, so means of communications means different ways how we can send or receive messages. So first one is postal communication, that is letter. So one of the cheapest and most popular means of communication is letter. So letter can be sent by writing messages on an inland letter, a postcard, or even on a sheet of paper. Then we put it in a stamp envelope, and then these letters are then carried by a road, rail, or air transport. So but we must write the complete address along with pin code. Now other is the fastest means of communication is telephone. On the telephone we can easily talk to our friends or relatives. There are other two services, that is STD, full form is subscriber trunk dialing, and other services international subscriber dialing, that is ISD. These two service is available for telephone. So STD means talking to people in other cities of the country, and ISD means talking to people from one country to another country. Okay, so this is about telephone. Now we come to the mobile phones. So today mobile phones have become very popular. Yes or no? We can also send instant messages through our mobile phones. And mobile phones also have short messages and have taken the place of telephones not only in cities but also in villages. So they help us to talk to anyone at any time at any place. So next means of communication, that is fax, that is facsimile. Okay, so written messages can be easily sent through a fax machine, and it is an exact copy of document which is sent through a fax, and this fax machine is used in office, and it is an electronic machine. Okay, now other means of communication, that is email. So email is also known as electronic mail, that E stands for electronic. So emails are sent by using internet, a worldwide computer network. So that is computers and the internet has made the communication faster and more efficient. So if you have computer, you can log on to the internet and send email instantly, and you can send pictures and messages from one computer to another on the internet. Okay, so you can also get the information about weather, latest happening around the world, and anything you want to know. Okay, now apart from this, there are means of mass communication like radio, television, newspaper, magazines, which convey messages to a large number of people. So these are called means of mass communication. Now let us revise. Sending and receiving messages is called communication. Letters and parcels are sent through the postal system. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. Newspaper, radio, and television help to communicate with a large number of people at the same time. The internet and email are now a popular means of communication. So, understood about this chapter, everyone? Okay, now questions for you.